Hello to my biology class for semester 1. We are getting prepared for your final, and I just wanted to give you some things that you could try to get prepared if you want to study. So semester 1 biology final. We've been working on comparing and contrasting all semester. So if you remember, compare means similar or the same, and you always want to use your question to say, for example, an apple is similar to a banana because you can eat both of them, or my shoes are similar to your shoes because they are both used to cover our feet. If you use contrast is a little more difficult, where you say the apple is different than the banana because the apple is red and the banana is yellow. You should be talking about both of them. If you use has, you would say the apple is different than the banana because the apple has a circular shape and the banana has a strange long shape. So we need to say what is different about them. So some things that you're going to need to know is you're going to actually have to use your computer, and you're going to need to go to the Cells Alive website, and you need to be able to compare and contrast the animal cell and the plant cell. I would be familiar with shapes and sizes and what each one of them has. That will help you out a lot. I would highly suggest that you go beforehand and you practice this beforehand. Another thing that you should be able to do is you should be able to take your poster that you had. I'll shrink this down here just a little bit. So here is a poster from a fantastic student, and this student and her poster had everything correct on there. You need to be able to understand what is the effect of the sun, what is happening in all the processes, and how is photosynthesis similar or different than respiration. Also, you should know what do all these different words about photosynthesis mean. If you have any questions, you can certainly ask me, but I just wanted to give you guys a way to study. Once again, you can look at this poster, you can just pause it and take a look at it. Make it a little bit bigger if you want to on your computer, and make sure you understand what all of the words mean. Hope your final goes well and that you really kick a lot of butt. This is Mr. Anderson, out.